What's up guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing my Instagram followers chooses my makeup challenge. Now, this video has been all over YouTube and I think it just started with makeup, but I've seen people do like my Instagram followers pick my day, or they pick my outfit, or they do whatever. So it's kind of evolved to different things, but I really wanted to do the makeup one first, and I may do other ones later on. But I am very excited about this one because I got a really good response on my Instagram. So what I did is I basically, on my Instagram stories, I just put a bunch of polls and I basically had my followers pick, you know, A or B. So like foundation, I said foundation, CoverGirl or Lancome. Brows, Benefit or CoverGirl. Concealer, Maybelline or NARS. Setting powder, RCMA or Maybelline. Cream contour, yes or no. Face powder, MAC L'Oreal. Palette, Violet Voss or Urban Decay. Lipstick, darker nude. Lipstick, CoverGirl, Dose of Colors. Lashes, yes or no, and then of course the overall makeup look if you wanted it to be soft glam or sultry. So we will dive into this and just go ahead and get started and see what you guys came up with. Alrighty, so first things first, I'm going to do the brows. You guys know I typically do my brows first, and I said CoverGirl or Benefit, and it was super close. Actually, you guys, a lot of these were really close. And you guys said 54% Benefit and 46% CoverGirl. So that means I'll be using the Benefit product. And that is my Benefit Brow in the shade number 5. And it's actually really funny that you guys picked this because I literally just mentioned in my do's and don'ts video how I really don't use this anymore. And of course you guys picked me to use this one. So I will actually try to do my best to create a natural brow. You know, my preferred natural brow with the brow gel. So I'm gonna just use my Anastasia, what is this? I think this is number 12 brush, I can't remember, and the brow. And I'm actually kind of struggling with my brows a bit, I can't even lie. Not because of the product at all, because of my brows done yesterday, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but the lady butchered my brows. It is the worst feeling when you have been doing good with your brows, you grow them out, you know, you wait your 2.5 weeks to go and get them messed up. So you have to wait a whole nother 3 weeks to grow them back out again, and then like it takes like, you know, a month or two just to get the shape back right. And I'm so mad. Like I just feel like they're so thin. Like my brows are so freaking thin. So you see how even though I'm not using a pencil, I'm using a cream, how I'm still using a really light hand and not coloring them in or shading them in. I'm still creating, you guys, still trying to create those brow, or not those brow, those hair-like strokes when I fill them in. So that helps to kind of soften the brow a bit. Alrighty guys, so brows are done. I also went ahead and primed my eyelids. So you guys said that for my eyeshadow palette, the choices were Violet Voss or Urban Decay, and 64% of you guys said Urban Decay. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Urban Decay Born to Run palette again, which I'm actually low-key excited that you guys picked this because I love this palette. Also, I'm gonna jump kind of towards the end. One of my last questions, actually my last question was overall makeup look, soft glam or sultry glam, and 62% of you guys said soft glam, which honestly I would have guessed you guys would have said that anyways, because who doesn't like a really good wearable, you know, look. So I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay palette here. I think I'll start off with the shade Riff, which is a really pretty burnt orange. And just apply this in the crease. And I'm using a Morphe M441 brush and just kind of sweeping it right across my crease and in towards my nose. Okay, I'm gonna go with a little bit of concealer and a flat brush and just apply this to my lid. Okay, so we have our lid carved out. I'm now gonna go in with the shade Stranded, which is a really pretty champagne shade. Love this color, it's so gorgeous. Y'all see that? Oh, love this palette. Alrighty, there we go. I'm now gonna go in with the shade Good as Gone. I'm trying to stick to neutrals, y'all. I wanna like pick some color, but I'm trying to stick to my neutrals. And so apply this on the outer corner, fade it inwards. Same thing over here, and then kind of carry this up into the crease. And I'm using a Morphe M514 brush. Really pretty. I love, love, love stranded. Like, that is just the highlight of the show. I'm gonna take a little bit of Breakaway and apply that to my brow bone. And I'm actually gonna take a little bit of the shade Small, which is a brown metallic shade, and apply that right where Good Is Gone meets Stranded. So blend that in just a little bit more. And I think we're good. I think we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and, of course, prime my face. I'm gonna prep my face with a little bit of setting spray, or prep spray. This is the Urban Decay Quick Fix. It's a moisturizing spray. And now on to foundation. So for foundation, the choices were Lancome and CoverGirl. And guess what you guys did? 50-50. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Lancome today because I haven't used it in quite a while, and you guys know I love, love, love this foundation. So I'm gonna pump it a little bit all over, dot it around, and blend this in. Alrighty, so foundation is done. Of course, next up is concealer. I said Maybelline or NARS, and I actually threw NARS in there because I haven't used my NARS Radiant Cream Concealer in probably this entire year. I haven't used it in so long. And unfortunately, you guys picked that one. So it was 49% Maybelline and 51% NARS. So we're using the NARS Radiant Cream Concealer in the shade Biscuit. I always forget how much I love this concealer. So amazing. You can go ahead and blend that out. I literally always forget how much I love this concealer. Like, y'all look at that. You see how it gives me like a nice lift, but it's not too much, and it blends out so perfectly. Like, ugh. I love, love, love this. Okay, so next up is setting powder. So I said RCMA or Maybelline. 62% of you guys said Maybelline. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium. Okay, you guys know the drill, look up, blend out those creases. And then set. Easy peasy. Okay, so that is all set. Next up, I said cream contour, yes or no, and 64% of you guys said yes. So I'm gonna be using my new favorite, which is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation Stick in the shade Mocha, and just lightly contour my face. You guys know I don't cream contour too often, but I love this stick. Gonna blend this into my hairline. See how easy that blends out, y'all? So easily. Like 2 seconds and we're done. One thing I will say though about cream contouring is I feel like it snatches my face. Like, my cheekbones be popping, my forehead looks so much smaller. Like, it definitely really does help. It's just an extra step that I don't really like to do that often. To get this nose, I'm using an Ingold brush on my nose. Look how snatched that is. Nose is snatched. Okay, and then for all over face setting powder, the choices were MAC and L'Oreal, and 63% of you guys said MAC, so I'm gonna be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark. And just set my entire face all over. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my skin. I didn't do a poll for this one because I just really use like the same bronzing powder, and that is my MAC Fix Plus, not Fix Plus, my MAC Studio Fix powder in NW48. And I'm using the Laura Mercier bronzing brush. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna carve out my cheekbones with that same setting powder that we use, the Maybelline. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in and bronze up the skin. This is like the best bronzing brush. It is freaking amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use some blush. This is the MAC Breath of Plum blush. I'm gonna apply this to my cheekbones. Okay, and I also actually forgot to do a poll for my highlight. I'm gonna just go ahead and use my, go-to, the Maybelline Master Chrome. Apply it to the high points of my cheekbones. Okay, let's see if I got everything except for the lips. So I did foundation, brows, concealer, setting powder, cream contour, face powder, shadow palette, lipstick, and lashes. Okay, so all I have left is to do is the lipstick and the lashes. So for lashes, I said lashes yes or no. Of course, 86% of you guys said yes, so I will be popping on falsies. And for lipstick, I said dark or nude, and 69% of you guys said nude. You guys must love nude lipsticks. So do I, so I can't blame y'all. I had got 31% dark, 69% nude, so we'll be doing a nude lipstick. And for the brand, I said CoverGirl or Dose of Colors, and 62% of you guys said Dose of Colors. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go ahead and pop off my falsies off camera real quick, and then come back and finish off the lips and the lower lash line, and we'll be done with the look. All right guys, so before we pop on falsies, I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Punk from that same Urban Decay palette, and I'm taking out an angled brush. This is a Sigma small angle brush. I love, love, love this brush. And just apply that shade right along the lash line. Gonna pop on my falsies. Alrighty, and we are almost done with the look. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna take what shade is this? Just brown, I believe. I think it's just the brown LA Girl Gel Glide Liner. Just apply this to my waterline. Alrighty, and then to smudge out that lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more Punk on a pencil brush and just smudge that liner out. And then of course you cannot forget our inner corner shade. I'm gonna go back with a little bit more Stranded. Just pop that in the inner corner. And I just realized this is supposed to be a natural glam look, which this is definitely not. It's not too sultry or too smoky, but it's definitely not natural. But I did kind of stick with the natural tones. I don't know, I wanted to just take it up just a little bit, just because I know you guys wanted to do lashes and all that kind of stuff. So, and also you guys had me do the, you know, benefit brows and all that kind of stuff. So I think that this isn't too far off from, it's not natural, but it's not too bold as well. It's pretty wearable. So now for lips, I'm gonna take my MAC Chestnut Lip Liner and just line my lips. Okay, and then for lips, I'm gonna take the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick and Knock on Wood. This is definitely hands down one of my favorite nudes, you guys. Just wait till you see it. Gorgeous. All right, you guys, so once you all have gone ahead and done all of that, popped in your falsies, you know, touched up any areas that need to be touched up, here is the final look. I'm loving this neutral glam. I know I wanted to, y'all, please forgive me. I know I was supposed to do soft glam and not sultry, but I ended up kind of doing like the medium of both. Honestly, to me, in my opinion, it's very wearable. Like you can wear it in a day or at night, in my opinion. But I really like this look. I can't say enough how much I love this palette, you guys. This palette is bae. I'm telling you, it is everything. And I think this, you know, neutral shimmer eye paired with this really pretty nude is like the perfect color combo. All right, guys, so that is it for today's my Instagram followers choosing my makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I honestly enjoyed doing it. I love like seeing you guys' input and opinion whenever it comes to my makeup choices. Like that was honestly a lot of fun, because first of all, you guys made me pull out some things that I hadn't used in quite a while, and also paired something together that I hadn't quite paired. You know, like I hadn't done the Maybelline foundation stick with my Lancome foundation. I hadn't used the NARS in forever, you know. So it's really nice having you guys, you know, provide input and then putting that to use whenever it comes to doing my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this not so soft but not so sultry glam, kind of like that middle point, that right in between look. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And last but not least, if you guys look down below, you guys see the little bell icon right at the bottom. That is the notification icon, which if you click that, you'll basically be notified of all of my future uploaded videos. So if you guys want to keep up to date with what I have posted and all of my, you know, new uploads, then go ahead and click that bell icon and join the KyraKnox family. I would greatly appreciate it. With that being said, I'll go ahead and shut up and end off the video, and I will catch you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.